Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. आज छ क्लास 8th खतर topic sound. Muk subtopic has types of sound. Now, sound is various qism, different types of sounds are there. It is one audible, back inaudible, pleasant, unpleasant, soft, loud noise. Magar usually sounds zig type, zig qism. Ek is one audible, then one is inaudible sound. Now audible, audible sound go. So sound. Image frequency is between 20 Hz and 20 kHz. Sound whose frequency range in between 20 Hz and 20 kHz. That's an audible sound. Human ears, they can easily detect frequencies between 20 Hz and 20 kHz. Human ear should detect audible sound. Audible sound is budget. So range of the time. So human ears can easily detect frequency between 20 Hz and 20 kHz. Now, we get some sounds that are below 20 Hz. So, sounds that are below 20 Hz frequency. Got some sounds whose frequency 20 Hz below is. Them is one infrasonic sounds. So, these infrasonic sounds elephants use infrasonic sounds to communicate with herds. Infrasonic sounds elephants communicate elephants communicate through infrasonic sound. Again, sounds that are above 20 kHz frequency, they are called ultrasonic sounds. Ultrasonic sounds. For example, dogs and bats, they can hear high frequency sounds. They can hear these ultrasonic sounds. The audible sounds them sounds use frequency range between 20 Hz and 20 kHz. They are called audible. Inaudible sounds are that sounds that the human ear cannot detect. So inaudible sounds or the sounds that the human ear cannot detect.